Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yakshimash. So today we are going to be starting the first of the refurb of the Rolls Rapide 1960s TwinTub. So here in front of me I have the top, which is looking decidedly crusty. So what we're going to be doing first is refurbing this. So let me get you guys a little bit closer and let's start the refurb. So this is the top of the TwinTub. These have all corroded and the paint is all flaking off. The underneath of it, this is all kind of corroded with bits of God knows what else. So this is the this was the safety switch. Gilligan, come on. Gilligan, hello. Right. That we no longer use. This safety switch is going to get removed and basically just clean up this entire thing and spray paint it. So, first thing I need to do is to remove these lids. These are the rubber seals I can take off. They just come off easily, so I can clean these. And I can remove these screws and bolts. So there's one released. That's the second one. And what I will do with all these screws is, because it's lime scale, so I will just use some kettle descaler for all of these to clean them up. So now that they are removed, and these are the brackets, I now need to remove these.
They're all the same size, so that's pretty good.
That's the first bracket off, so that's all I'm going to be doing with this is sandblasting it and then respraying it with a nice shiny silver. Let's do the same to this side. So there we go, that's all free. This is the on and off switch. Oh, thank you. Thanks, now Tom. So I'm just removing this old switch from it. I'm just wondering how I can remove this switch. Now that's all we need to do is spray paint them. I need to wipe them over first of all with some rubbing alcohol just to make sure I've gotten rid of all traces. And I'm going to do a little bit more rubbing on the edges here, and then I'm going to spray paint them. But the next thing I'm going to do now is to sandblast these parts. Okay, so that is now everything done and repainted. I've repainted and sprayed the tops. The brackets are now a lovely shiny chromy colour. And the top is now painted underneath and above. So I've left this little part here, I just left it on there. And what we need to do now is to re-stick these down. But what I'm going to be doing is putting some sealant underneath these so there'll be no water ingression that goes through. So I'm going to put the brackets on first, but I'm going to get some sealant. All the screws have now been all cleaned up. So I have the seals, they've all been cleaned and scrubbed. So I need to put these back on. Scott, I need your hand a second. I'm trying to put this ring back on, but it's like when I pull it, it stretches off. So if I hold them, can you pull? One.
Just spray paint it. Cool.
Okay, so there we go. Thank you, Habilux. The rubber seals are now on. And there we go. We have the top of the Rolls TwinTub looking very, very good and cleaned up compared to what it was like before. That now definitely looks a lot better and is sealed, so there won't be any more water escaping. Glue on my fingers. Okay, so there we go. So I'm just going to leave this as it is because it still needs, it's dry, but it could still do with a day, another 24 hours. So I'm just going to leave this whole thing open like this, and we are done. This is the first part of the Rolls Rapide refurb. I wanted to get this done really good because this is the first thing that you see, that you look at when you look at the TwinTub, and yeah, it definitely looks a lot better and won't rust or anything anymore with the primer that I used, which is an anti-rust primer. So that's covered in the primer, all of it, and the underneath of it as well. So what I'll do is when I fit it onto the TwinTub, this is where the seal goes round on top. I will be putting additional sealant on there to make sure that no water ingresses into the machine. But there we go. I'm really pleased with that. That looks so much better than what it did. You know, I can't get rid of all of these marks off there, but they just look so much better than what it was, and I'm really, really pleased with that. So there we go. First part done and dusted. So please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, y'all.